I don't know yet. Let's keep going. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny, and in today's video we're about to try something that I never thought I would try. I don't want to say never, but up until now I've never tried it before. Just crossed it off of my hairstyle interests without even giving it a try. It's like, how you know you don't like it if you never tried it? Like, how you know? So today we're going to be trying out crochet hair extensions. Like, y'all been asking me to try crochet for a while and I never got around to trying it. I do natural hairstyles, buns, braids, wigs. I've never had a sew-in before. I've been seeing more of this look around and I just decided that, you know what, let's just give it a try. So this video is a part of my New Week New Hair series. And today's video is sponsored by BetterLength, and they're dropping a new product, feather crochet hair extensions. So we'll be installing and trying them out today. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So my hair has been freshly shampooed, conditioned, and blow dried. So from these 4 sections, I'm gonna first start working with the right section. My goal and plan for the braid down is to leave out the perimeter in case I want to do like a ponytail or any type of updo. And then I also want to be able to do a middle part as well as a side part. So after sectioning out a perimeter section and then that middle portion, we're just going to twist that down for later. I also wanted to be able to do a side part. So I like my part on the left. I didn't bother leaving out the right side. You can leave out whichever side or both sides that you prefer. And y'all know I like to give credit where credit is due. This is not a braiding pattern that I came up with on my own. I checked out Tiara J Beauty's crochet video start to finish, and this is the braiding pattern that she did. I mean, hers was way neater than mine but this is the braid pattern that she did and the method that I'm going to follow. By doing these 4 sections, it made it easy to kind of pull out those perimeter sections as well, leaving out some in the back. I did take out a little bit extra in the back just because my hair is natural, so I know that once I wet it for this look, it's going to shrink up a little bit, so I want to have enough hair in the back for those updos. I'm taking the coconut oil by Softy, one of my favorite hair greases. Apply that to the parting section, spiral. So I'm parting from the left, braiding down, parting from the right, braiding down, grabbing the remainder of the braid, connecting it to the following braid. This was my first time trying this method, following up by oiling my hair with my Red by Kiss hair growth oil. The only thing I regret is having so much hair in the center and then not having a needle to sew that down. So today I'm going to be installing BetterLength's 100% human feather crochet hair extensions. So I did receive 2 bundles of these. Each bundle contains 100 pre-looped strands, and typically about 1 to 2 bundles are recommended for a full head, just depending on your desired fullness. Upgraded version of crochet hair is designed to be super lightweight, soft like real feathers, and it gives a natural layered look with beautiful movement. So I did pick up these crochet needles from the beauty supply store, and we're going to basically jump right in, y'all. This is going to be my first time giving crochet a try, so we're about to see how this experience goes together on camera. Just me jumping right into this, one of the biggest pros for me was how easy it was to install. You don't need any glue, any heat. Honestly, you don't even need advanced skills. It's that easy. Oh my god, I didn't know it was that easy. I've always avoided crochet, like transparent moment. Did not know, never knew it was that easy. I've been missing out. I don't know yet. Let's keep going. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, and keep watching to the end to see how it turned out. So it's crochet. So basically you just braid your hair down and then you want to loop the hair through. I love how gentle it is on my natural hair as well. It's no tension, no breakage. It's just a protective style that's actually super cute. I kind of loop the hair and then you want to pull it through. Looping it kind of like in a knot basically to secure it. And because the hair is made of 100% human hair, you can dye it, you can style it, you can curl it, you can flat iron it. Basically anything that you would do to your real hair, you can do with your feather crochet hair extensions. And the best part, y'all, it's super comfortable to wear and it doesn't feel heavy on my scalp at all. So I have got a request to do crochet before. In the comments, y'all are like, will you do a crochet hairstyle? Literally for years. Or first of all, y'all didn't tell me it was easy. Oh baby, had I known that, I would have tried this sooner. It takes little to no time, okay, a few hours, maybe like 5 or 6 hours, give or take. But I mean, let's be honest, to me that's nothing. Now I don't know about you, but I don't care about how long the hairstyle takes. I'm more focused on how it turns out. That's my girl math. But I do want to know this though, from the girls who have done crochet before, what's your braiding pattern? Do you go straight back with your braids? I do plan on doing this again. Let me know what you all think the best braiding pattern is. Yeah, I was at this point excited. I'm like, oh, look at me. We really doing this right now. Like, what? Yeah, get into it. I mean, I could finish this tonight. It's 10:22 p.m. I'm surprised and shocked at myself that I'm doing this right now. Never thought I could do crochet. Never really considered a crochet method as something that I would appreciate or enjoy doing on myself, and never knew that it was this easy to do. So I'm happy about all three of those things. But this is what I got so far. My braid situation, I've never done much outside of like straight backs, so I'm also proud of myself for doing that. But we're gonna finish all of this in the morning. Oh, for y'all, I'll be back in a minute, but for me, I'll talk to y'all in the morning. And we're back. I went ahead and did a little bit more. So this is how far I got with one bundle of the feather crochet hair, and we're really almost done. Like, super excited. So time is currently, oh, it's 1 o'clock. This is the second one, just an up close shot before we open it. Each one has about 10 of the pre-loop strands. I decided to go ahead and put them onto my braiding rack. This made things go a little bit quicker. And if your hair texture is different from mine, or if you're just curious about trying a different texture, BetterLength does offer 6 natural textures on their website. So they have everything from light yucky all the way down to afro, kinky, coily. To set your mind to something, commit to it, follow through with it, and it looks good. Yeah. That's the way to hype me up for the day. Like, just the thought of it, the braid down, crocheting the hair through, it seemed a little bit intimidating. I was like, wait, you want me to do what to my hair? And I guess sometimes when I overthink things, it's kind of a way of talking yourself out of it before you even try it. We can't be out here counting ourselves out like that. And I definitely can't be having the girls request something and I'm the one that's out here not delivering. Okay. Boom, just like that, we are finally done. I have a lot of hair in my head, but it feels super lightweight. We're gonna style it now. The bigger the hair, it makes them stare, okay? Okay. Alright, so for styling, I'm taking foaming mousse, water, Eco Style gel, and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I think I want to do the middle part instead. Man, this, oh my god, I need to sew that down. You can see it. I paused off camera and added in a few more pieces just to cover up the part where I didn't sew down the braid. First of all, can we get into how juicy these curls are? Like, what? No hair appointment, no hair salon. And I decided to skip out on using that leave-in conditioner and just more of the Lotta Body foaming lotion instead, just because I felt like the hair didn't really need the leave-in conditioner. So we're using the foaming lotion, water, and then I'm also taking the edge fixer just to lay and slay the edges, because your hairstyle is not complete if the edges are not on fleek. Just know, once we step into the bathroom to do our hair, we're not walking out the same way we came in. Like, we stepping out like glam, like ooh la la, it's giving new week, new hair, new woman, new number, who this? Red by Kids blow dryer to diffuse the rest of the hair and help it to dry and set a little bit. This will also help the hair to get back a little more volume, which is what we love. I am at least 40 minutes late showing this. Like BetterLength, girl. Y'all can't tell me this not my hair. Oh, we look good. Oh, we look. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Prepare to be sick of me. So whether you've tried crochet before or if it's your first time like me, I highly recommend giving this a try, especially with BetterLength's new feather crochet extensions. First of all, this is way easier than I thought and expected, and it gives such a soft glam type of look without even having to go to a hair salon. All the details will be linked in the description box down below, so definitely check them out and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried crochet before, how you all think I did. Let me know if you're feeling it, what it's giving, if you've been wanting me to try crochet. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Questions, comments, be sure to leave all of that down below, and as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Okay, just picture me putting hairpins in it with the banana clip, banana boat full. Okay, let me quit playing. A bun. I'm trying not to move the camera so many times. Somebody just said, is that your hair? That's your real hair? And then y'all know we got it up in the back, so like with the leave out. Yes. Okay, obviously we see a few messy pieces, but work with me. Like, squint your eyes a little bit and picture me perfecting these hairstyles. I don't want to keep running in the bathroom to do that every time, but you get the point. You got options. You got options, babe. We like options. Okay. I'm actually proud of myself for stepping out of my comfort zone. I'm Mama D and she was a fairy with a fatty on my new week, new hair, new girl, curls for the girls. Get into it.
That's just how I live. Money and pretty women.